Welcome to Softaken Excel to vCard Converter software. Your trusted solution for converting Excel contacts into vCard.vCF files with speed, accuracy, and flexibility and full compatibility with popular email clients. Key features of Softaken Excel to vCard Converter software. Batch export Excel contact. Convert multiple contacts from Excel to vCard format in a single operation. Full attribute support. Retains complete contact details including names, phone numbers, emails, and more. Live data preview. Instantly preview loaded Excel data before proceeding with the export. Smart field mapping. Easily map Excel columns to corresponding vCard fields with a user-friendly interface. How to use Softaken Excel to vCard Converter step by step. Step 1. First download the software, then launch the software. Start the application via desktop shortcut or from the Start menu. Step 2. Upload Excel file. Click the Add button and select your Excel file, .xls